you serious?
It was like a giant flash. You're barefooted, it got you. Protected with a thermal with the fire department. That's it's okay behind the wall.
I figured.
Angel. Yeah, you're right. We heard the explosion. We heard the. So I thought a bomb went off. Okay. Okay.
What's your name? He's not talking today, huh? Okay, what's your name?
Seless.
Celeste? How do you spell Celeste? C?
S.
I'm sorry, spell your last name, or your first name, honey?
Seless.
And your last name?
Sustaita.
Spell that for me, please.
Sustaita.
Okay, tell me what happened.
Me and her were just in my brother's room over there, and we were picking up these blocks and putting them to the corner. And then I turned around, and then there's just like a big ball of like blue light just hit my leg. Felt like it was fire or something. And I just jumped up, and me and my niece just started screaming and running to the door.
What do you think it was? Did you know?
No, I was scared.
Did it hurt, or did it feel like it burned, or what?
Yes.
Okay. Where did it get you in the leg? Right there? Where in your leg? Right there?
Right here.
Was it real loud, too?
Yes.
What is your name?
John Sustaita.
John?
Yes.
Tell me, spell your last name.
Sustaita.
Tell me what happened.
I was sitting there washing the dishes for the family, and all of a sudden I just saw a big, giant yellow ball come under me, and I lifted. All I felt was a lift and a bang, and I just felt nauseated. And the next thing I know, all the fire alarms went off, and kids were screaming, and everything went hysterical at that moment. That was it. It's frightening, very frightening.
Kind of amazing where it came in at. I mean, no real damage at all except sheetrock.
It's a freak of nature, but I tell you what, we'll never be barefoot in the home again. You know, we've learned. We're scared.
You never figured something like that could happen, huh?
Never.
You ever thought about something like that? You hit the mast back there following all the way around the house like that?
No, I hear about electrical things, but I've never really heard of anything. I know electricity is dangerous, but I've just never realized, how strong lightning is either, because it's definitely strong. It's a strong piece of nature.
How bad was the weather at the time?
It just started raining. The wind started coming in. My sons were cleaning the backyard. I told them to come in, thank God. And about 5 minutes later, it just happened. We thought it was a bomb.
Did you hear a boom or?
A loud boom. We thought it was a bomb and actually gone off. That's what everyone figured. My son screamed, "Dad, a bomb!" Or something went off, or what happened? All the kids were screaming. I was stunned at the moment. I was still in shock myself, so I was just worried about the baby. Where were the kids?
What about the? You were telling me about the appliances, the lights, the fire alarms.
TVs jumped up, came on. Radios came on. Everything came on. It was weird. I figured they would blow out. They came on. Alarms, TVs, all the fire alarms came on in the house. It was just something really weird. Everything turned on. Every electrical appliance turned on.
Okay.